consumers are looking for more than just a product when they are looking for experiences. As 2021 comes to a close, it's clear that food tied to an experience is what many consumers are looking for when making purchasing decisions. Opportunities to engage consumers include new packaging or branding, dietary callouts, personalization, premium ingredients, nostalgia, and Instagrammability. When coupled with a multi-sensory experience such as walking into a local bakery, bakers have an opportunity to create an overall memorable experience consumers are looking for. One surefire way to guarantee a memorable consumer experience is to give consumers a one-of-a-kind taste or texture that's not easy to replicate. Increasingly, bakers and manufacturers are using fermentation to create these one-of-a-kind experiences, and it's a trend that should be on tastemakers' radars for years to come. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date with the latest food news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.